These dogs have bite forces stronger than lions. But strength doesn't mean danger. At number 9, Wolf Dog. A powerful hybrid with a bite force over 400 psi. Number 8, Dogo Argentino. Bred for big game hunting, crushing at 500 psi. Number 7, Presa Canario. A fearless guardian with 540 psi. Number 6, English Mastiff. Calm, but packing over 550 psi. Number 5, Tosa Inu. Japan's powerhouse, matching 556 psi. Number 4, Dog de Boldo. A massive jaw delivering 556 psi. Number 3, Cane Corso. A legendary protector with 700 psi. Number 2, Bandog. Built for power, over 730 psi. Number 1, Kangal. The strongest bite ever recorded, 743 psi. Power doesn't equal aggression. Training and love make the difference.